Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in to your JP Morgan mortgage account. Go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser and go to your Google search bar and then search for JP Morgan mortgage login. Now, you can click on the first link. You must know that JP Morgan has now turned into Chase Bank, so go ahead and click on the first link which appears on your screen and it will take you to the official page of Chase. Now on the top right hand corner, click on Sign In, which will lead you to the login portal of JP Morgan Chase. Write down your username, your password and click on Sign In, and then you can log in to your JP Morgan and Chase mortgage account. You can click on Remember Me if you want your browser to remember your login ID for the next time you log in, and you can also use token. So if you click on this box over here, you can write down your token and then you can sign in as well. In case you have forgotten your username and password, click on this link over here and then you can start the identification process by writing the SSN or TIN, your card or account number, or your social security number as well, and then press next and follow the identification process, and then you can retrieve or recover your password again. And if you have not signed up for JP Morgan and Chase, you can click on this link and sign up immediately. This was a video on how you can log in to your JP Morgan and Chase mortgage account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.